In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a task to a subtask in ClickUp. This is a useful feature when you realize a task would make more sense nested under a larger parent task, instead of staying on its own. Organizing tasks this way can help keep your workspace cleaner, make projects easier to track, and give you a better view of how smaller action items fit into the bigger picture. To begin, open the task that you want to convert. Make sure you're inside the correct task before moving forward, since the change will apply to that specific item. Once the task is open, go to the upper right corner of the task window and click the three-dot menu. This opens a list of additional options related to the task. From that menu, look for the option called Convert To. Move your cursor over it to open the next set of choices. This is where ClickUp lets you change the task into a different type. When the submenu appears, click Subtask. This tells ClickUp that you want to take the current task and place it under another task as a child item. Next, you'll need to find the task that will become the parent. You can usually do this by searching for the task name or browsing through the available tasks. If you have a lot of tasks in your workspace, using search can be the quickest option. Just take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct parent task, since this affects how your work is organized. After you find the right parent task, click on it to select it. This links your current task to that parent and prepares the conversion. If ClickUp asks you to confirm the action, go ahead and confirm it. This finalizes the change and converts the standalone task into a subtask. Once that's done, it's a good idea to double check everything. Open the parent task and look for the subtask section. You should now see the converted task listed there. This is the best way to verify that the move worked correctly and that the task is now in the right place. And that's it. Converting a task to a subtask in ClickUp is a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how clearly your projects are organized. Keeping related work grouped together can save time and make collaboration easier. Thanks for watching.